right, ladies and gentlemen, I have a problem. So I bought a 2016 Ducati Scrambler, Urban Enduro. Absolutely love the bike. But I didn't check it out too much because I fell in love with it in the parking lot. And got it home and I got a serious problem. So check this out. Look at that. It's all scratched up. All scratched up. Bike's pretty much totaled, right? Totaled. So I gotta replace it. So I bought comp slip-on. It's got a, no baffle. There's none in existence. I honestly meant to buy one, but you can't find one outside of eBay for less than about $250. But yeah, I bought this custom for a Ducati Scrambler, and we're gonna go ahead and put it on. Oh my God. All right, let's do this. Stop. If anything, this is some serious weight reduction. All right, so there we go. Brand new Two Brothers Racing slip-on installed. Very nice contrast from my needs to be polished pipe to the brand new TBR. Cool. Overall, this thing looks mean. Let's see what it sounds like. Ready? Let's fire that up one more time right next to it. Now, let's get a good sound comparison and call it a day.